Today we're making these amazing fluffy 50-calorie pancakes. I posted these on my Instagram stories last Sunday and you wanted the recipe. These are not oatmeal pancakes, these are not banana pancakes, these are not omelets. You know I'm gonna give you a proper, delicious, amazing low-calorie pancake recipe. To make these low-calorie pancakes, you'll need 1 egg along with some vanilla. I'm using the fake stuff because we're back in lockdown, people. I know, Italy's in lockdown again. This is all I had. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and whip these up. I do think adding vanilla is important. Remember, this recipe has no butter, no milk, no oil. It really needs something special. Now let's talk about these pancakes. This recipe makes 4 pancakes, enough for 1 person. When I decided to film this, I wasn't sure if to double or triple this recipe because chances are, if you're cutting calories or just trying to eat healthier, your family probably isn't. And if they are, you can just adjust the recipe. But I really wanted to share with you the exact recipe I make just for myself every Sunday. You're gonna whip this well, and I mean well, until the mixture triples in volume and becomes really pale. You're then gonna quickly mix in some yogurt, careful to not deflate this egg mixture. This shouldn't take more than 5 seconds. And yes, you do need that yogurt. It substitutes the butter and milk, and along with that beaten egg, it's gonna give the pancakes that beautiful fluff. Add the flour sifted. I'm gonna say it louder for the people in the back, okay? If you don't sift it, don't come crawling back saying your mixture has deflated. Fold it in gently. I do like to give it a quick mixeroo. Be gentle. I feel I'm making this so complicated. It's really not. But if you do want the full written instructions, just head to my websites. You'll need a good nonstick pan. It's a great investment. Highly recommend you get one, but if you don't have one, it's okay. You will need to grease that pan though, otherwise they will stick. Your flame should be on medium-low, and these cook pretty quickly. Do not overcook pancakes. These are not waffles. Once you flip these, cook these for another 15 seconds, and they're done. If you're new to my channel, by the way, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. You're gonna plate these up, and the best way to have these is with syrup. You gotta have these pancakes with syrup. You can do a 0-calorie syrup or, maple syrup if you don't mind. Fresh fruit, yogurt, it's up to you. What I love about these pancakes, besides being absolutely delicious, each pancake is only 50 calories, meaning you could have these with something else on the side, okay? It's gonna be a great filling breakfast. I personally don't mind a little bit of flour or a tablespoon of sugar if it's gonna make these taste like pancakes. I know there's a lot of healthier recipes out there using oats or banana or applesauce, but personally, to me, those do not taste like pancakes. If you're looking for a low-calorie, delicious, amazing pancake recipe, you gotta try these.